Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here of Bolex Repair Philippines. Welcome to part 2 of a CLA for a Bolex D8L. So let's get started here. As of the last video, it is running sluggish inside of there. So now it's going to be the time to take it apart and clean, lubricate, and adjust it. Now removing the base plate. Okay, so far we've got it working, and we're going to test it at 12 frames per second. Cleaned it a bit. There you go. So we got a long way to go. Lenses have to be cleaned, has to be taken more apart and adjusted and everything. So do subscribe to my channel here on YouTube, put a like on my videos, and thank you for watching the second installment of a CLA on a Bolex D8L. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.